Hello, welcome to Surelia's Art and Craft, where we learn so many things with fun. Today, we'll fold A4 size paper or colorful papers to butterflies. We'll make 3D butterflies. For that, we need A4 size papers of different color. First of all, mark it to half and cut it down. When you cut our A4 size paper, which one is 8 inches into 12 inches, it will make 4 inches into 3 inches size paper. Now, let us cut a square from that rectangle shape. So it will be 3 inches side. Now we need to fold it from the center. Make two parts of it. The scissor, cutter, whatever is available with you. Again, fold it from the center. Now, see carefully. You need to fold 4 corners into a triangular shape. Watch the full video and I'm sure you will be able to make butterflies at ease. Now we need to fold each half and repeat the same action. See how you fold it. Fold it again, another half. Now open it, see the mark and fold it from one side. So inner side and outside will be different. I'm going to show the outer side as the butterfly's upper wings. Try to press it harder for stiff stand so your butterfly will stand and it will look nice. Now we need to fold it from the center and keep it aside. Let us take care of the low part or other part. We need to fold it again 4 times a half. Folding it from one side is important because the fold will look even. Do as I have shown, and believe me, by the end of this video you will be able to make it yourself, do it yourself, DIY. You can cut to make it even shape. See, it's almost ready. Now we need to apply glue. You can apply super glue also for instant fixing, but I have used normal glue. Make sure that pinpointed both parts aligned, otherwise your butterfly will look one-sided. Let it stable for some moments. Cut a strip from the leftover paper. Now apply glue on both sides and wrap it firm with this strip. This is most important, otherwise your butterfly will not be as it we want it to be. Subscribe our channel, keep viewing, we keep uploading different kind of DIY crafts, origami crafts. You can apply glue to the wings to fix it harder. Now let's take another color paper. As we are making colorful butterflies, we'll take 3 colors: orange, green and blue. Now it's time for the green one. Same way, cut it to a square, make it half, fold it halfway, mark it stiff, fold four corners to a triangular shape. Again, I am reiterating, press it firm. Fold it to half on both sides. Repeat the same. Again, fold it to the half. I'll get a unique shape. Press it harder. Open it to see the mark. Then fold it from one side. So your folds will be on the inner side and your butterfly will look nice. See, now it's done. Now fold it from the center. Keep it aside. Take the other part. Fold it halfway. Again half. Again half. Another half. Now open it and fold it from one side. Repeat same action for all the three butterflies. Orange, green, and after that we'll make a blue one. It's ready. Fold it from the center. Step it harder. Press it hard. Now apply glue. It's easy, na? Very easy. Just try it. First you try it with white paper, and after that go for color paper. We have made 5 types of butterflies. Videos, links are given at the description box. Please click there and you can see other things also. We have made flowers, birthday cards, all those origami stuffs, everything for you. Now tie the strip. This is very important. And let it stable for some time. Now take the blue one. You also apply glue. Tie the strip. Our video is too slow to make you able to do it by yourself. It's not that fast like other videos. They just show and go away. We're going with you. If you watch our video and try to make it with us, you can very well do it. Now, gently open the wings, upper and lower, so it will give the butterflies the desired shape. See, the green one is also ready. Now the blue one, open the wings gently. Here is the beautiful paper butterflies for a quick learner like you. Make it yourself and comment us if any difficulties. Comment us also if any other thing you want us to make videos for you. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.